What's going on? Welcome to Oil and Gears. Today we're going to put some RACELANDs into the Scion XB. Now this is not going to be my car. This is actually going to be one of the members of the Scion lifestyle. Diego is right here. Tell me how you got your car.
What's going on, guys? I have a 2006 Scion XB. I got it from my father-in-law. We're going to put on some coilovers.
And he's sitting over there. He's like, "You're awesome, father-in-law." So his father-in-law also has an XB, which is decked out, but we'll profile that car later on down. So let's get to it.
El otro también. Okay, are we gonna take off the springs now?
Yeah, they should just pop off. So when you're installing the RACELAND springs, you're gonna take that bottom piece with the two rings and you're gonna put those rings all the way down to the bottom, as far as they can go. Then install your springs and your height is gonna be perfect. Other way. Wait, let's stop it right there. Okay, so when you're taking off the front strut, the two bolts that are at the bottom, those are 19mm sockets. The one bolt that's holding the brake line is a 12mm socket. Now the strut on top inside the engine bay, the three bolts are going to be 12mm sockets as well. And you might have a little bit of a hard time if you have a strut bar. So now that you've taken off your OEM struts, you're going to need to take the top hat off. There is a rubber type of grommet that's on there. You'll take that off. You'll see the bolt. So we had McPherson compressors that we put on the springs, and then once you have those on, you can use an impact gun and take off that center bolt. So once you take off that top hat, you're gonna put it onto your new RACELAND struts. So to get the perfect height to match the back of the springs that you've already installed, you're gonna wanna measure 1 inch from the bottom of the thread to the bottom of the first ring. So 1 inch in between, you're gonna move that ring all the way to that 1 inch mark. And then the second ring, you're gonna move all the way down to that first ring there. That's gonna give you the best height and the lowest static even height for your car. Well, there you have it. We've installed RACELAND coilovers and springs and shocks into the Scion XB. I want to give it up to Pete and Diego for letting me film their car and installing Diego's RACELANDs into his XB. Like, comment, share, subscribe. We'll see you on the flip side. Peace!